Every pool starts with an idea. Then, step by step, it becomes the centrepiece of your garden. A place to relax, spend time with family, and make the most of the warmer months. The Sycillia combines clean, modern lines with practical design, creating a pool that's as enjoyable to live with as it is to look at. Available in a choice of sizes and finishes, the Sycillia can be tailored to suit a range of gardens, whether you're creating a space for entertaining, keeping active, or simply unwinding at the end of the day. It's designed to complement your outdoor space rather than dominate it. Every project is different, which is why there's a wide choice of finishes, equipment, and optional extras to help create a pool that's right for your garden and the way you want to use it. Backed by more than 25 years of experience, My Pool Direct has helped thousands of customers create their own space to relax and enjoy. If you're thinking about adding a swimming pool to your garden, the Sycillia is a great place to start. Discover the range at My Pool Direct.